Hello, in this occasion we will deploy another Thirdweb contract from our DexAppBuilder platform. In this case, we will teach you how to deploy the token drop contract a strike from DexAppBuilder and very quickly. You need to visit the page in the description. It will be the first link and then you will see all this platform DexAppBuilder. Go to the top menu, click on Dex Generator and click on Create Contracts. You can see the second option is the token drop. Let's click on it. Token drop allows you to release new or seed 20 tokens for a set price. After to deploy this contract you will have a smart contract on the network that you choose able to communicate with the UI that you will build after deploying this contract and make your clients buy your token. Let's explain how to deploy this contract. Then in another videos, we will explain how to add all those functions of this contract in your crypto application. You need to connect your wallet at the top menu. As you can see, I have 9 connected but we can connect the wallet again. You can choose between all those options. If you don't have any wallet, you can create one with your email with Google Twitter or in this case, we will use MetaMask. We have our wallet connected. We need to choose the network that we are using to deploy. You can choose between Ethereum testnet, Optimism and the other options that you can see. In the list we are using Moonbay from Polygon, the Polygon testnet to avoid spending real tokens on magnets only for testing. Let's start with filling all the blanks here, for example, name. You can put your talking name here. This is just an example. Here at symbol will be the ticker for your token. You can use a great description here for your use case, for example. Then we can add an image clicking here. You will see all the images you have been uploaded before but you can blow it other ones. In our case, let's choose one of these ones, any of these. As you can see here on sale, recipients is the same wallet that is connected. These sell recipient will be the address that will receive all the money from your client, but this address we receive all the sales. You can change it anytime also, and use another one different to your connected wallet. Here below, add recipient address. It may be a platform fee. If you want to cherish your clients with a portion to maintain the platform, you can use the wallet of the platform of your platform and put a percentage. For example, if you are using 10% here, you will be able to cherish your clients. Ali said here. Okay, let's deploy the contract and wait until the blockchain make this work. Now, let's deploy the contract. In the Moonbay network, just click on deploy and wait until your wallet asks you for a digital signature. Confirm and wait until the blockchain process your contract creation. It won't take too long. Now, thread is successfully deployed and you will be able to use all those functions regarding this contract for your token drop. Please keep updated with the upcoming videos in our YouTube channel regarding how to put all those functions and create amazing applications. This is all. Thank you very much.